Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. A very interesting story. Lena had always believed in the strength of their love. She trusted her husband Mark with all her heart. To her, their marriage a safe place, a bond built on honesty, laughter, and shared dreams. But one evening, everything changed. But life has a way of revealing trust when we least expect it. One evening, while he was in the shower, I picked up his phone, something I never thought I'd do. My fingers trembled as I scrolled through messages, and then I saw it messages to another woman filled with words meant for secret moments hidden from me. My world shattered in an instant. How could the man who held my hand through so many storms be sharing his heart with someone else? I felt betrayed, confused, and broken. The pain was physical tightness in my chest, a suffocating ache that stole my breath away. When he came out of the bathroom, I confronted him. The look in his eyes was a mixture of shame and sorrow. He did not deny it. He confessed that he had fallen in love with someone else, someone he met at work, someone who made him feel alive in a way he hadn't in years. But then he said the hardest things of all. He still loved me. I wanted to scream, to cry, to disappear. How could love be split between two people? How could he betray the vows we made? But hearing him speak honestly made me realize this was not just a simple mistake or a moment of weakness. I was a deep, complicated emotion pulling him two in directions. Days turned into weeks. I wrestled with my feelings, anger, sadness, jealousy, and still a lingering love for the man I married. I questioned everything about us and myself. Was our love not enough? Was I not enough? He wanted to make it work, to fight for our marriage. He promised honestly, transparency, and time. But I was not sure if I could ever fully trust him again. Healing is not a straight path. Some days I felt hope, other days I was consumed by pain. I started therapy, learned on friends, and slowly began to rediscover my own strength. The truth is, love can be messy. It can hurt, confuse, and disappoint us, but it also teaches us about forgiveness, resilience, and self worth, whether we stay together or walk separate paths. I know I deserve honesty and respect. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.